Welcome everyone. Welcome to our new marathon series on English vocabulary. Okay, we'll be focusing just on English vocabulary. So we will be going on with the session. The proposition. हाँ तुक्के मारना is called as assumption, right? तुम लोग तुक्के assumption पे ही मारते हो ना? You assume that B is the right answer, तो तुक्के मारते हो. So why you will anticipate that B is the answer? Will you anticipate B is the answer and उसको तुक्के मारते हो आप? Right? You will assume that B is the answer and तुक्के मारते हो. So there is a difference between assume and anticipate. Okay? The proposition stated by the manager was crystal clear that this time the profit margin was quite low and displeasing. The proposition stated by the manager was crystal clear that this time the profit margin was quite low and displeasing. What does the word proposition mean? What does the word proposition mean here? Right? There are four set of options A, B, C, D. So which one will be the right option? Right? Which one will be the right option? अभिजीत, आपने कुछ लोगों को गलत आंसर दे दिया. That is the reason they pressed B there. Huh? Varna, this was an easy question. Gone for the right answer here. सब ब्लेम अभी अभिजीत पर जाता है. हाँ, गुमराह कर दिया. चलो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, right? Proposition. What does proposition mean, right? What does proposition mean? Argument. Yes, I can tell proposition is an argument also, right? This can be an argument stated by the manager. ये ऐसा हो रहा है मेरे कंपनी में, तुम लोगों की वजह से मेरा कंपनी ये COVID-19 की वजह से मेरे को प्रॉफिट मार्जिन नहीं मिल रहा है, right? He's arguing with the traders and all. He's arguing with the employees. You guys are not working properly. That is the reason this happened, right? I can tell proposition as an argument also. I can tell proposition as a theory also, right? So the theory stated by the manager, it is telling that this can't happen this time. This is the thing which has happened, right? I can tell it is a theory also. I can tell this as a statement also, right? Because he's stating something, right? वो कुछ बता रहे, right? वो कुछ बता रहे. A proposition, right? I'm telling you, a proposition is a word which has different meanings, right? A proposition is a word which has different meanings, right? It can be called as a theory, it can be called as a statement, and it can also be called as an argument, right? It can also be called as an argument. So it is all of the above, right? It is all of the above. It is D. Option D, all of the above is the right answer, right? Option D, all of the above is the right answer. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. Question 18. The police had clearly deciphered that Charles had traits of a perpetrator. The police had clearly deciphered that Charles had the traits of a perpetrator. Deciphered का मतलब है decode. Okay, deciphered का मतलब है decode और traits का मतलब है qualities. Traits का मतलब है qualities. The police had clearly decoded that Charles had the qualities of a perpetrator. What does the word perpetrator mean here? What does the word perpetrator mean here? चलो इसका आंसर बताओ. It's fine, Supriya, right? I know you guys are plus learners. Most of the people have not come today, right? I can easily, decipher there that most of you people will be having technical classes right now, okay? So, आराम से technical class करो. Yo Honey Singh, हाँ? आराम से technical class करो. You guys can see it later, okay? But yeah, मेरा next जब भी marathon sessions होगा, I'll be keeping it this time only, okay? Because I'm doing it more for the free learners. Marathon series. Plus learners तो वैसे भी देख लोगे ना आप लोगों को, ठीक है? So marathon series, all this is for free learners, okay? So next month I'm telling you guys now only, those people are there. Next month I'll be bringing a whole marathon series on reasoning, okay? Reasoning के ऊपर जो भी हमारा questions है, blood relations, sitting arrangements, इसके ऊपर जो भी questions है, इसको हम next month करेंगे, okay? Next month के marathon series. उधर भी दो घंटा वाला होगा, ठीक है, उधर भी 2 घंटा वाला होगा, ओके, यस, ओके, व्हाट डज परपिट्रेटर मीन, ओके, व्हाट डज परपिट्रेटर मीन, राइट, व्हाट डज कॉनमैन, व्हाट इज कॉनमैन, कॉनमैन का मतलब क्या है, थीफ, राइट, डू यू गाइस नो कॉनमैन, हाँ, कितने लोगों ने ये हेरा फेरी सब देखा है, हेरा फेरी मूवी सब, राइट, तो दे यूज दिस वर्ड कॉन, राइट, कॉन का मतलब क्या है, कल्ला, मींस थीफ, चोर, चोर को हम कॉनमैन बोलते हैं, राइट, थीफ, तो दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है, दोनों का वर्ड सेम है, सो हाउ कैन यू इजीली डेसिफर दैट इट विल बी ए और बी, राइट, हाउ कैन यू डेसिफर दैट इज ए और बी, एंड डू यू गाइस नो चार्ल्स शोबराज, वाज चार्ल्स शोबराज a thief, चार्ल्स शोबराज के बारे में पता है किसी को, राइट, इफ यू नो इट इट्स फाइन और एल्स आल्सो इट्स नॉट प्रॉपर, ओके, तो पुलिस, राइट, हैड द ट्रेट्स ऑफ अ परपिट्रेटर, सो चार्ल्स शोबराज ही वाज अ बिग क्रिमिनल, बहुत ही बड़ा क्रिमिनल था, ओके, ही वाज अ क्रिमिनल, ही वाज अ परवर्ट, ही वाज आल्सो अ परवर्ट, ओके, तो क्रिमिनल था वो, राइट, ही वाज अ इविल पर्सन, ही वाज अ मर्डरर, right, he was a murderer, right, so can I tell a thief does murder here, right, do a thief they do murder, ये चोरा चोरा चोरी करते हैं यार, हेरा फेरी करते हैं बस, उनको इतना बड़ा नाम क्यों देना है, right, तो दोनों गलत है इधर, cunning, I can use the word cunning, but do you think the evil person it will be more negative here, which is the more negative word here, tell me people, cunning is a more negative word or an evil person a more negative word, tell me, will cunning be a more negative word or an evil person be a more negative word, so that is what I'll be telling, okay, perpetrator ka actual meaning hai an evil person, what does evil person mean, a ruthless person, okay, see देखो, आदि is cunning but आदि is not evil, आदि is cunning, वो कभी कभी हो जाता है, राइट, मेरे को उनसे बात करना है, ये बात नहीं करवा रहा है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा cunning करेगा, right, but it is evil, right, it is evil, yes, Mogambo, right, so I'll give you guys a proper thing here, okay, right, I'll give you guys an example, Shri Krishna, right, everyone knows Krishna Bhagwan, right, so Krishna Bhagwan was also cunning at times, yes or no, Krishna Bhagwan was also cunning at times, अर्जुन को कितने बार बचाया, नेक्स्ट है हमारे शकुनी मामा, नेक्स्ट है हमारे शकुनी मामा, कैन आई कॉल हिम एज शकुनी मामा एज इविल और कनिंग, व्हाट विल बी शकुनी मामा, शकुनी मामा इज इविल और कनिंग, टेल मी, राइट, ही इज इविल, क्योंकि शकुनी मामा का मोटिव डिफरेंट था, राइट, राइट, शकुनी मामा's motive was different, शकुनी मामा's motive was quite different, he wanted the destruction of the whole Kuru race, right, पर कृष्णा का मोटिव क्या था, इसका मोटिव अच्छा था, he wanted the Pandavas to win, he did not want bloodshed and all, right, Krishna was also cunning, Shakuni Mama was also cunning, but इसका मोटिव गलत था, hence he is evil, his motive was good, okay, so cunning I can't tell it as a negative word outright, okay, you can be cunning, जीतने के लिए कभी you have to use that cunning words, right, चाणक्य नीति, सबको पता है ना चाणक्य नीति, जीतने के लिए थोड़ा कनिंगनेस चाहिए आपको, राइट, यू हैव टू यूज सम ट्रेड्स, यू हैव टू यूज सम ट्रेड्स, सो कनिंग, right, so it is D, evil person is the right answer, okay, option D, evil person is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. The company decided to keep profits obtained this year as appropriation, as no one knows when another pandemic will befall on this world, right, when another pandemic will befall on this world. What does the word appropriation mean here, what does the word appropriation mean here, what does the word appropriation mean here, safe deposit, funds kept for other capital causes, donated to the needy, increase the hike of workers suffering from pandemic. हाँ, यहाँ बहुत ट्रैप होता है, मेरे को पता है. Yes, okay. So let's see this, okay. So what is a safe deposit, people? Right? What is a safe deposit? इसको हम fixed deposit करके रखते हैं, okay? Right? Fixed deposit type of thing, okay? deposit. Okay, we can use this for many other causes. Okay, but what does appropriation mean? Okay, so जो भी funds आता है, we keep it for other capital causes. What does other capital causes mean? Okay, building, okay, infrastructure, okay, इसके लिए, okay, for capital causes का मतलब क्या है? इधर workers का salaries नहीं आता, right? Here the salaries of workers doesn't come. इधर बिल्डिंग को बड़ा बनाना, थोड़ा ज्यादा सोफा लेकर आना, थोड़ा ज्यादा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, थोड़ा टावर को ऊपर कर देना, थोड़ा वाईफाई लेकर आना, लाइट्स लेकर आना, all this is called as capital causes, right? You guys know capital causes, yes? Running the capital. So that is what running the capital means here, okay? Donate it to the needy, right? It is not here, right? This year as appropriation, as no one knows, right? तो कब कोविड-19 वापस आएगा, कब कोविड-19 कोविड-20 आएगा, किसी को नहीं पता. तो जब अभी जो पैसा है इसको हम कैपिटल पे इन्वेस्टमेंट कर देते हैं ताकि हमारा बड़ा बिल्डिंग हो जाए और ज्यादा लोग आने लगे, राइट? ज्यादा लोग लाने लगे. सो यू कैन डोनेट इट टू द नीडी, राइट? इट इज केप्ट फॉर द कंपनी इटसेल्फ. इंक्रीज द हाइक ऑफ वर्कर्स, मैंने पहले ही बताया. सैलरीज डजंट कम अंडर कैपिटल कॉजेस. सैलरीज डजंट कम अंडर कैपिटल कॉजेस. सो डी इज आल्सो रॉन्ग, सी इज आल्सो रॉन्ग. सेफ डिपॉजिट का मतलब क्या है, राइट? You guys can argue over this. You guys can argue over this point that sir safe deposit भी हो सकता है ना, because safe deposit क्या होता है? काम आने पर उसको निकालना. But see the word here, capital causes, right? Capital causes. This word makes the difference. Okay, these two words make the difference. Hence, B is the right answer. I'm not arguing here that safe deposit is also correct. पर अगर मैं safe deposit के साथ साथ capital लिखता, then A would have been the right answer. The word capital causes makes the big difference here. The word makes the capital causes. मतलब कंपनी के लिए कुछ खरीदना, ज्यादा कंप्यूटर्स खरीदना, ज्यादा बिल्डिंग बढ़ाना, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ाना. So that is called as capital causes. It is because of this word capital causes. B is the right answer. Right? B is the right answer. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Shall I move on to the next question? Any doubts in this? Right? Any doubts in this? बहुत अच्छी बात है, right? Yes. Let us move on to the next one. Game of Thrones is such a marvelous book that it shows the panoramic events of all the things happened in the West quite intricately, right? Quite intricately. Intricately का मतलब है in detail, right? Quite in detail, right? What does the word panoramic mean here? What does the word panoramic mean here? Option A, right? 4 options are there. So give me the right answer, right? Panorama, right? You guys might have seen it. Panorama film, panorama yes sir. So what does this mean? What does that mean? Tell me. Hey, John Wick, you joined again? अच्छा ऐसे है, ठीक है. There are 4 John Wicks, okay, right? So Game of Thrones. तो panorama का मतलब क्या है? It is drama, right? It is drama, ऐसा no? Right? सब लोगों को ड्रामा पता है ना? Right? It is just like a drama. What does panorama mean? 24 frames drama. So can I tell deducing all events, right? Am I climax? पूरा climax कर रहा हूँ क्या इधर? I'm not doing any climax here, right? So A1 is wrong. Presenting images, right? यहाँ थोड़ी PowerPoint presentation चल रहा है यार. Game of Thrones में PowerPoint presentation है क्या? Right? Is it presenting images of all events? जो हमारे वेब सीरीज में हुआ था उसका इमेज बुक में है क्या? Right? No, it is just writing. Right? It is just writing. B वाला भी गलत है. Providing the right depth of imagination. Right? So can I tell it is providing the right depth of imagination for everything? Right? So Night Walkers, we did not imagine how they will look until the web series came. Yes or no? Right? Night Walkers, we did not imagine it until how the Night Walkers came. We did not imagine that. So D is the wrong answer. Right? So it is detailing all events individually and particularly. Right? तो नॉर्थ में क्या हो रहा है, जॉन सॉक के साथ क्या हो रहा है, डेनेरिस टारगेरियन के साथ क्या हो रहा है, ड्रैगन्स किधर से आ रहे हैं, राइट? ऑल दिस थिंग्स इज गिवन इन डिटेल, यस और नो? इन डिटेल. इसलिए मैंने इस वर्ड को पहले ही मार्क करके लगा आप लोगों को. इंट्रिकेटली, इन डिटेल. तो डिटेल ही छुपा हुआ है. Detail is the hidden word. So what does panorama mean? ड्रामा में क्या होता है? What happens in a drama? Tell me. Everything is shown in detail, yes or no? Right? Drama में the scenery is in detail, the music is in detail, right? Every scene is in detail. Okay, रामायण का ड्रामा देखोगे, so it starts from the starting, right? उनका birth, everything in detail it shows. Okay, individually and particularly. So panorama का मतलब है option C, showing everything in detail, showing everything in detail. चलो, let's move on to the next question. Okay, question 21. The movie got filmed quite inordinately. The movie got filmed quite inordinately, increasing the budget by thrice its allotted budget. मतलब budget ज्यादा हो गया, right? Quite inordinately उसको film किया गया, इसकी वजह से budget 3 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गया. What does the word inordinate mean here? What does the word inordinate mean here? Disproportionate, lavish, improperly planned, more than expected, right? More than expected. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what does disproportionate assets mean? Right. Vijay Mallya सबको याद है विजय मल्ल्या disproportionate assets. Okay. Illegal. जिसका कुछ है नहीं, हाँ, जिसका कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट है नहीं, ऐसे डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेट एसेट्स, तो उसको क्या करता है? बैंक नीलामी में बेच देता है, राइट? बैंक डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेट एसेट्स आर देयर, उसको नीलामी में. यू कैन फाइंड दिस एवरीवेयर. दिस वर्ड इज ऑलवेज फाउंड इन न्यूज़पेपर्स. जो भी घोटाला हो, जो भी घोटाला हो, उसमें ये वाला वर्ड आ जाता है, हाँ, ये वाला वर्ड आ जाता है डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेट एसेट्स करके. व्हाट डज लैविश मीन? राइट, व्हाट डज लैविश मीन? पूरा पैसा उड़ा दिया, क्वाइट रिच, ही लैविशली, लग्जूरियसली, हाँ, पूरा लैम्बोर्गिनी कार, स्कॉर्पियो कार, राइट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज दिस. इम्प्रॉपरली प्लान्ड मतलब कुछ प्लान नहीं है, नो स्ट्रेटेजी, राइट, नो स्ट्रेटेजी. Okay, no strategy. So these two words I can never use it for inordinate. You guys know it. Okay, no strategy, no use नहीं हो सकता. Disproportionate भी use नहीं हो सकता. So it comes down between lavish and more than expected, right? Quite film. Lavish के बारे में मैंने already बता दिया, right? Increasing the budget by thrice its allotted budget. Yes or no? The budget is already increased. 3 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गया budget इधर. So it became lavish here only. So why will you use the word again here, right? Filmed quite inordinately. What does this mean? A verb. Yes or no? What does inordinately mean? Basically, it is an adverb, right? It is an adverb, inordinately. So it got filmed more than expected, right? तो बजट क्या हुआ इधर? 3 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गया, तो हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज्यादा हो गया बजट. तो क्या किया? डायरेक्टर ने कुछ ज्यादा ही करवा लिया. डायरेक्टर ने कुछ ज्यादा ही करवा लिया. अच्छा देखो, हम बाहुबली का पार्ट 5 करेंगे, तो सब गधा सब लेकर आओ, राइट? So that was it. He filmed it more than expected. ओके, इतना सा हो सकता था, उसने इतना बना दिया, राइट? सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? lavish is told for something, right? Lavish sets, lavish living. Okay, ये adjective होता है lavish. Okay, this is adverb, right? More than expected. Adverb is the right answer. Option D. चलो, let's move on to the next question. Next question. Though the startup made some rounds in the investment arena, it is still quite fledgling and might require some more time to develop. What does the word fledgling mean here? Right? What does the word fledgling mean here? Right? So tell me, fledgling का मतलब क्या है? Though the startup made some rounds in the investment arena, it is still quite fledgling and requires some more time to develop. Okay. So what is the correct answer here? Right? What is the correct answer here? What does fledgling mean? यस लीडर बोर्ड, ओके दिखाऊंगा इस क्वेश्चन के बाद. Yes. So let's see the leaderboard. Okay, Tanu Jha. She's at the first place. Adi, Pratik, Bhavya, Roshni, Neha, Alka, Deepak, Pranita, and Hasda. Okay. Very well, everyone. Okay. Hasda, what is this time, Baba? Very good time. Okay. Timings is very good of you people, right? तो स्टार्टिंग में ही लगा रहे हो आंसर, हाँ स्टार्टिंग में ही ऑप्शंस लगा रहे हो. चलो राइट. सो फ्लेड्जलिंग, व्हाट इज द वर्ड फ्लेड्जलिंग मीन? ओके, सो इस पूरा स्टेटमेंट को समझो तुम लोग, राइट. सम मोर टाइम टू डेवलप, right, some more time to develop. So can I tell this startup is still immature, right? तो सिर्फ अंडे में है अभी. Startup is still in the अंडा, yes or no? ये अंडा में, अंडे से बाहर आना चाहिए, right? It is still in the budding stage, yes or no? You guys know the budding stage of a flower, right? Budding stage of a flower पहले इतना रहता है, बाद में बढ़ता रहता है, बढ़ता रहता है, right? So budding stage, it is still in the budding stage. So I cannot call it as mature, right? I cannot call it as a mature. Can I call it as promising? Can I call it as promising? Right? Can I call this as a promising startup? Right? When will you call it as a promising startup? When it starts to make some profits, right? तो अभी एक बैट्समैन, उसका स्टार्टिंग मैच में आप वो लोग बता सकते हो क्या, ही इज अ प्रॉमिसिंग बैट्समैन, 2-3 बार खेलेगा, he makes some 50 plus scores, then you will start telling okay he is a promising all rounder, he is a promising batsman, इसकी वजह से हमें जीत सकते हैं मैच, वो हम बता सकते हैं, right? तो ये भी रॉन्ग है. वेटरन, व्हाट डज द वेटरन मीन? कमल हासन, डू यू गाइस नो कमल हासन? कौन कौन कमल हासन को जानता है इधर? कमल हासन, ही इज अ वेटरन एक्टर, राइट, ही इज अ वेटरन एक्टर, मतलब मोस्ट फेमस, famous personality, that is called as veteran. Okay, that is called as veteran, famous personality, veteran actor, बहुत कुछ कर सकता है, he can do multiple roles in a single movie. So that also not is the answer. Okay, it is emerging player of the year, right? You guys have seen IPL, yes or no? IPL emerging player of the year award किसको देते हैं? Right, a person who is trying to develop, a person who is trying to develop. Okay, yes, right, okay, a person who is trying to develop, emerging player. Okay, so it is still emerging, it is trying to emerge, it is trying to come out of the cocoon, right? It is trying to come out of the cocoon से बाहर निकल रहा है अभी, right? So that is what is called as emerging, right? चलो, let's move on to the next question. 1 month after relationship. Right? चलो, okay, question 23. He tried, sorry, not tired. Okay, he tried hard to win the match, but later was left disconsolate as his team could not cross the line. That is, his team could not win. What does the word disconsolate mean? Okay, iska, I think everyone will know the answer for this, right? Disconsolate. So what will be the answer here? Disconsolate. Console पता है आप लोगों को, तो disconsolate क्या होगा? चलो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, right? He tried hard. Disconsolate. What is consolate? What does console mean, Baba? Right? Okay, you try to console someone. नहीं नहीं, हो जाएगा लाइफ में ये सब होता रहता है. You don't chill. We are there for you, right? You console a people, right? You console a people. Why do you console someone? Why do you console someone? Why do you console someone? Because he's upset. Yes or no? Right? He's upset. Okay. He feels bad. He was left disconsolate. मतलब कोई नहीं था उसको console करने वाला. Right? There was no one to console him. Right? So he's already hurt here, right? What does upcast mean? Upcast means happy. What is materialistic? Miser, सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचने वाला, सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचने वाला. He is not playing for the team, he is playing for himself. मेरा इतना रन हो गया काफी है, मेरे को टीम की फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right? He is not this person because he tried hard to win the match, but his team could not fall into the line, right? Fall into the line, right? What does solace mean? Solace is another one, right? Happy, or you can also tell it as inner peace, okay? Peace, कहाँ आपको शांति मिलता है, that is called as solace, okay? We find solace in the temples, right? Quiet places, okay? तो ये तीनों गलत है, right? Downcast का मतलब क्या है? मुंह उतारना, right? मुंह उतारना, right? Becoming like this, right? You guys know this smiley, right? Downcast, okay? He will be hurt, okay? Unhappy, okay? Unhappy, hurt, yes, demotivated. All this is called as downcast, okay? So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Let us move to the next question here, right? He allowed the government authorities in Aquais to check all the surroundings of his house. To check all the surroundings of his house. What does the word Aquais mean? What does the word Aquais mean? Okay, here there are four. He allowed the government. So which one will be the right answer? Tell me. Allow is there, right? Allow is there. तो कौन सा सही answer होगा इधर? The word allow. You are allowing someone. So what will be the right answer here? Huh? अरे एंटोनिम नहीं पूछा बाबा, डायरेक्ट नेम पूछा. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. So, what is the difference between stand by and tolerate? Okay. Stand by. You are just waiting for the people to do their work. Okay. You're just waiting for the people to do their work. Tolerate. Okay. Yeah, they are doing their work and you're controlling your emotions. Right. You're controlling your emotions. Okay. So I'll tell you the difference between stand by and this. Okay. You're controlling your emotions. Stand by. वो लोग कुछ भी करे मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, जल्दी निपटा के चले जाओ. So that is what stand by means, okay? तुम लोग कुछ भी करो, I'll stand here, you guys do your work and go off. I'm not caring about them. Tolerate, I'm controlling. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है अंदर से, ये कैसे मेरे को हाथ छू लिया, ये कैसे मेरे को पकड़ रहा है ये, पर भी मैं, ये पुलिस है, ठहर जाता हूँ मैं, वरना मार लेंगे मुझे, right? So that is what is tolerate means, okay? That is what is tolerate means, okay? You're tolerating a person, right? You're tolerating a person. You're stand by, okay? तो Avengers देखा है ना, तो Iron Man he always tells stand by, मतलब सीधे तरीके से साइड हो जाओ, सीधे तरीके से साइड हो जाओ, okay? He doesn't tell tolerate, okay? सीधे तरीके से I don't want any opposition, I don't want any opposition, सीधे तरीके से साइड हो जाओ. So that is called as stand by. Reluctance is not, reluctance नहीं, I don't offer you, no, directly no, नहीं करो ये सब. So that is reluctance. Forbid is also the same thing, okay? Forbid, you're stopping them, stopping someone. So that is forbid, okay? Stopping someone is forbid. So it is option C, stand by, okay? He allowed them to do their work. He allowed them to do their work. आप लोग कुछ भी कर लो, मेरा हर जगह में छान मार लो, मैं आराम से बैठे रहूंगा, मैं अभी IPL देखेगा, right? So that's what he did.
साधन सी है ये बात, परीक्षा करनी है पास, रोके रखना अपनी सांस, अपनी एक ही आस पीछे सारे मंत्र और रख ले सारे